Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost full Instagram reel to your story instead of 15 seconds clip. Let's go. So let's open up the Instagram application and go to the profile page. Now at the top of your profile grid, select the Reels tab and choose a reel you wish to repost to a story. Let's say this one. Now you can simply repost using this paper plane icon. But if you add to story using this button, only 15 seconds clip will be added. So if you wish to repost a full reel, you need to copy link. Now minimize the Instagram, don't close, just minimize. And open up your App Store or Google Play Store and install the application which is named Instant Save. So Instant Save, this one with this icon, download the app. Unlock your screen if you need. Once the app installed, open it. Swipe left. Tap on OK. And it automatically fetches the latest link from your clipboard. If nothing happens here, you need to repeat the action. Once again, go to Instagram, copy link, minimize Instagram, go to Instant Save and allow paste. It's loading. Now accept the terms and conditions. And yes, guys, sad but true, if you wish to use the safe version of Instant Save, you have to watch ads. If this is a deal breaker for you, you can purchase the paid version or drop this idea or find another free application, but I couldn't do it. So you have to watch this advertising to the end. Once you see skip forward icon here, tap on this icon. Now close this window, swipe it down. Wait for this circle to fill. Now close the advertising and tap on repost over here. Now you can scroll down and just tap on repost. Allow full access to media. And now just tap on story icon, tap on done, share your story, once again share, done here, or add to highlights if you wish so. And now, regardless of the reel length, it's gonna be posted to your story in full, but just wait for upload, it takes some time. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.